This is how to create a website using Vercel. From your dashboard, go to Add New, choose Project, then select a template or Browse All, and we'll select Blog, and we will choose this one. We will deploy and click Create. Then scroll down and we will add a domain. We'll add existing domain, for instance, webchunks at space. And we will not use www. And we will use this to our production and just click Save. Then click Learn More and we will add an A record. So we'll just copy this at. We'll go to our domain register. We'll create an A record. Then copy the value. And just click Save. Then we'll go back and we'll try to refresh. Then we'll open our domain. And we can see here our blog has been installed. So this is how to create a website using Vercel.